Okay, this is test number 3 of 304 stainless steel wire being deposited in aluminum oxide. It's 0.9 millimeter wire being deposited at 30,000 RPM at 15 millimeters of surface feed rate with a surface feed ratio of 80, which is an X distance traveled of 10 millimeters, a Z plunge of 0.125 millimeters. So with no further ado, I'm going to start the spindle at 30,000 RPM and start the deposition. Contact. Stop buckling. Spindle off. Let's check it to see if it's continuous, which it probably is not. No, not even close. No. Nothing. Video off.